I set and released the brakes several times last night. Well, we are frozen into that spot right there. That's not good. God dang it. Well, I guess we better at least try to move the truck, see how bad it is. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to sit in that puddle. I backed up. I thought I got out of the puddle. That one tire looked like it was down in there pretty good. I might just take a hammer back there and just break all that ice up. Yeah, his tires are spinning. He can't get any traction here. Some guy just pulled around in the parking lot, and he pulled around back, and he just flagged me down. He just ran up to his shop. He's gonna try to pull me out. He got like one of them elastic tow ropes. See, that's right where that other truck's drives were, though. That's where the other truck was sliding at, and he just slid. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah. Keep going, just keep going. Yeah, just keep her going. Just keep her going. I don't want to stop at any of this shit. Awesome. Awesome, awesome.